bought this from the local market. You see, I've been using this pot. You see how black it is? I've been using this pot to make popcorn without oil. So this is the pot on the fire. See, this is it washed, and the water. Now I'll put it in the cleaner water. I'll drain the water. Drain the water. See how I'll drain the water? This floating one. Remember, if you can see, you can leave like a teaspoon or 2 teaspoons of water in it, right? Then I cover it until the water is dry, then I'll start turning it. Now the heat is increased to a little bit of a bigger flame. Then you do that for when it starts getting browner.